All right, I'm Dr. Deuk. I'm here with one of my patients, and she just wanted to share something with everybody, so we decided to do a video.
Hi, I'm Lisa Nicholson, and I'm in here today for a post-op, but what I wanted to share with you guys is that, well, number one, I'm a patient here of many, many years. I am Chiari. I have Chiari malformation, and I had brain surgery up at Johns Hopkins, and when they released me from Hopkins, they told me I needed to come to see Dr. Deuk, and I did. And Dr. Deuk has performed several surgeries on me. The last one he did on me in 2016, he saved my life. I almost didn't make it through that surgery. I ended up being fused all the way up to C1, and I was a mess up there. And I came out of it, and I'm very grateful for that. My family is grateful for that. I'm grateful for that. And I'm walking around, living a life that I didn't think I'd be able to live because of that surgery. And since then, I've had other surgeries with Dr. Deuk. That one in particular touched my heart because it did save my life. And I had to have another surgery down my SI joint, and Dr. Deuk referred me over to his brother in Wesley Chapel, and I went over there and I came back with a successful surgery. And I'm very grateful that you all continue to take care of me and care about me and really, really care about me and where I go and my health. And not many people I know, especially with the disease I have, the brain disease I have, and the spinal diseases that I have, get such great care. I know some women that travel all over the country trying to find good care, and I get it right here with you all, with everything. I also suffer from very severe migraines, possibly from all the equipment I have up there, but when they come, I call, and you guys tell me to come in, and I get what I need immediately. And that's how it is with you. I'm just very grateful for Dr. Deuk and the staff here and everything that you have given me. I can't even, I'll start crying, but my husband too, my family, you've given me my life back on many occasions. Grateful.
Well, that's why we're here. We're here because we want to help people like you get out of pain and live a happy, healthy life. And what would you say to people that say spine surgery doesn't work? Would you agree to that, or would you say that that's not true?
I would say that's not true. I have had many, and they have all been successful, all of them, and they've been here.
On different parts of your body?
On many different parts of my body, and they have been successful, all of them.
All right. Well, thank you for sharing.
Thank you, Dr.
You're
Deuk.
welcome.
I'm so glad you got to come in and I got to see you today.
I would never miss the opportunity.
Yeah.
All right.